What if, in the blink of an eye, the Earth stopped turning? Here are 10 shocking facts about what would happen next. Fact 1. Right now, near the equator, you're moving with the planet at about 1,000 miles per hour, or roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. If Earth stopped, everything not anchored to bedrock would keep moving. Cars, oceans, and even you, hurtling eastward at deadly speeds. Fact 2. The oceans would surge violently, creating mega-tsunamis hundreds of feet, or over 100 meters, tall. Entire coastlines would be wiped out within minutes. Fact 3. Earth's air would still be moving at the same speed as before, up to 1,000 miles per hour, or about 1,670 kilometers per hour, tearing across the surface like a planet-wide hurricane. Fact 4. Without rotation, one side of Earth would face the sun constantly, boiling under endless daylight, while the other would freeze in eternal night. Fact 5. The Earth's spin causes a slight outward force at the equator. Without it, water and land would shift toward the poles, and you'd feel slightly heavier, by about 0.5% of your body weight. Fact 6. The Earth is slightly wider at the equator, 43 kilometers or 27 miles, because of rotation. Without spinning, it would slowly become a perfect sphere. Fact 7. The Earth's rotation powers part of its magnetic field. Without it, radiation from the sun could bombard the surface, making life much harder. Fact 8. The sudden stop would release unimaginable tectonic stress, triggering global earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Fact 9. The moon's relationship with Earth depends on rotation. Stopping could alter tides permanently and slowly change the moon's orbit over time. Fact 10. Between the crushing winds, mega-tsunamis, radiation, and climate chaos, survival on the surface would be unlikely without advanced shelters deep underground. So, let's be thankful the Earth keeps turning. Which of these facts scared you the most? Tell us in the comments, hit like, and share this video. This is the Random Fact Factory, feeding your curiosity one fact at a time.